today's horrible video, I'm going to start in the engine, clean the throttle body, check spark plugs, and do the cap and rotor, check the timing, and see if we can get some more power out of it without it backfiring. Let's see what happens here. Oh, love the cobwebs. Probably not horrible. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it doesn't look old, but I don't trust it. It's been sitting around for a couple of years. I want to get you down in here. Look at this. Just nice and clean. Probably just running rich its whole life. Look at all that wash. This is going to be a weekend runner. This isn't going to be a daily driver. This is going to be for hauling crap to the garbage. I just want to show you what we're dealing with. There's a little buildup on some chippy on the cart, on the ceramic here. Some buildup on the ceramic right there. There's a cheap aluminum cap. Pretty burnt out in the center. All that corrosion built up in there. Stopping the spark right there. There we go. All of that. And you just see how it's burnt. All the sparks flying everywhere. How messed up the tip of that is. Yeah, I'll just replace that. Also, you can just see how torched this rotor is. Stray sparks going everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and put new spark plugs in it because maybe there's a couple of bad plugs and we're just gonna put some new ones in. Exactly the same ones that came out of it. I'm gonna check the gap. Update here to the blue streak from the aluminum. And update here to copper. Also gonna update to the blue streak rotor. This one was obviously losing some spark. You look there, just losing it before it even gets there. So whatever. So here's a nice new one. I'm gonna put that in. Well, I'm not really sure what to do about this exhaust going on here. It's pretty messed up. And there's spring missing. There's all sorts of going on here. So that's gonna leak for now until I kind of have to drill that out, and there's gonna be a lot of surgery on this. So it's gonna leak for now. That's leaking too. Starter's got oil on it. Oil pan, I don't know. Let's get it running okay first. Just wanted to clean up around the throttle body for a second, but I also wanted to show you this. This is one of the plugs that I pulled. Because we didn't know anything about the engine condition, I decided to pull all the plugs anyway. This gives an indication of what's going on in the engine, with the oil getting past either the valves, seals, or the rings, or something. So we'll mark that cylinder, keep an eye on it in the future, but again, it's not a daily driver. Now, let's set the timing. Okay, now with the engine warmed up a little bit, we want to go ahead and dig out our timing light. Have every tool you would need to be a mechanic. This will all fit in a trunk of a car if you got some boxes. I got more on this side. Have everything else. I went through yesterday and reorganized everything. Everything's listed on the website there. Links in the bio. Just so you know, because I have everything that you would need to do all of the jobs that I'm doing, or half of them, whatever you want to do. Here, timing light is going to be buried in a box back here. Oh, let's get this slider out. In that box down there, let's get that guy out. Just your fancy old standard timing light. There's no advance on it, it's just a timing light. That's all it is. All right, now with our advanced connector disconnected, you can see down in here, our 0 mark is in the crest of that right there. We're gonna line up to 0. Hook up the positive negative on that, hook up the inductor to 1. Watch out for everything that's spinning. Don't hit any of this stuff. We'll get 1 down here. Go right there. As you can see, it looks like we are dead on 0 degrees. I'm starting to think there's a dead hole in this thing. Sounds like it. Well, do the best we can. I'm still feeling a miss. Now I'll go to the next step and go ahead and do a compression test on this whole run over here and check the resistance on all the wires, because that would definitely be what is next. It's checking the wires, checking the compression. Something's not quite right. We'll have to figure out what's going on with that. Definitely gonna have to fix that exhaust, because that's gonna be a pain in the butt. That's all I'm gonna have for today. And if you're gonna go ahead and talk some smack about the job that I'm doing on this truck, go ahead, go to the website, get yourself set up so that you can show me how to do it better. I'm watching your video. Go ahead and tag me in it. See, we can go back and forth here, and you can show me how you do the work and I can criticize you for it. But cool. Thanks for watching, you guys.